Hi, let's watch the beginner's level of 3 by 3 magic square using flip method. It's especially designed in such a way 4 levels to understand very easily according to the student's age group as beginners level, medium, advanced and expert level. Even the parent teachers, grandparents and anybody can easily understand and guide the kids to create interest to playing with numbers. Wait and watch all the 8 patterns of the same 3 by 3 magic square using flip method. What's a 3 by 3 magic square? In a magic square, the sum of the numbers in each row or column and diagonal remains the same. It should be a constant. 3 threes are 9. So using the numbers 1 to 9, you have to fill up the sequence board and check the diagonals. You may arise a question, what should be the sum of each row and each column? No need to scratch your brain much more. Just check the diagonal numbers. Yes, the diagonal plays a very important role while making a magic square. So irrespective of their order, 3 by 3 or 4 by 4 or 5 by 5 magic square, just check the diagonals. Sum of the diagonals gives the magic constant. So here in a 3 by 3 magic square, the diagonals add up to 15. So in every way, each row, each column and each diagonal is supposed to get us 15. Now, using the flip method for the beginners level up to the age group of 7, they don't know much more calculations. They cannot do the calculations quickly. Nothing to worry. Just by flipping the numbers, you can get the magic square very easily. For this, you have to make a 3 by 3 grid and extend one more square or a cell on each side of the non-diagonal and fill up the numbers 1, 2, 3 upwards up to 9. Now check the pattern. Here you see you have filled the numbers. What you're supposed to do is the numbers whichever lies outside the grid 1, 3, 9, 7, those just you have to flip it inside. You have to flip it inside means to the opposite side of the same row or same column is supposed to flip it. One flipped inside, next 3 flipped inside, now 7 got flipped inside, and at the last the 9 is left out, that also got flipped inside. Well, isn't it? You see, just flip the numbers, all the numbers inside. Check their total. Each row 15. Each column is also 15 and the diagonals also adds up to 15. Let's go to the next pattern, next way of writing. Now you are right. Take a 3 by 3 grid, extend its non-diagonals, fill up the numbers now downward. 1, 2, 3 downwards. Now just with 4 numbers flipping you will get the magic square very quickly. See, flip it inside. 1, 3, 9, 7. All got flipped inside the. Now check their sum. 4 plus 9 plus 2 is 15. Row 2, row 3 and all the columns and all the diagonals also gives the sum as 15. Amazing, isn't it? Now, the next pattern of writing upward filling. 3 by 3 grid, extend its non-diagonals, fill up the numbers upward. Now just flip the numbers inside the grid and get the magic square. Here comes the next pattern, downward filling again. Flip the numbers non-diagonals inside the grid and you have got the magic square. The next pattern it comes, you have to fill up the numbers upward, whichever lies outside the non-diagonal numbers. So flip it inside the grid and check the total. It's 15 vertically, horizontally as well as its diagonals counts. Here, the next pattern, the way of writing is upward filling. Fill up the numbers. Just flip it inside the grid, the external numbers whichever lies outside and check the total. It's 15. The next pattern, here I have to fill up the numbers downwards. Flip the numbers inside whichever falls outside the grid. Check their total. Some of the numbers vertically, horizontally and diagonally, it's same as 15. It comes a last pattern. Downward filling. 1, 2, 3. The left side you see. You have written the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now just flip the non-diagonal numbers inside the grid in the same row or in the same column. Just check the total. Amazing, isn't it? You see, now you could recall all 8 patterns whatever you have learned using this flip method. Just by flipping 4 numbers you are getting a very interesting magic square of 8 patterns. If you liked it, so like and subscribe and share with your friends as well. For further explanation of medium, advanced and expert level, you can watch other tutorials. Thank you once again for watching it.